the day for today?
Friday.
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do it like that.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma, and if you are new, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you subscribe. I just want to show you my first PR of the year, my first collaboration of the year. Okay, so it's not for YouTube, it's for TikTok, but I was like, I might as well show you guys also. And this is the box that it came in. It's a skincare product. It's a Korean skincare product, and this is how it came packaged, and this is the product. I'm working with Celladix on the Korean skincare product. This is a sebum, not a serum. It's a sebum, and it's supposed to balance your sebum formulation, repair skin barrier, and suitable for oily skin and acne prone skin. So this is a sebum. You use it after you use a serum. If you don't use the serum, then you can just use it after using your cleanser, then use the sebum and then put on your moisturizer. It's a very tiny box. It's a 20 millimeter. So this is how it is. This unboxing is so chaotic, but this is a sebum. Focus now. Now it comes with a, what is this? A dripper. Do me a favor, please. Go on TikTok and like the video and just leave blue hearts. Just blue hearts. If you don't have anything to say, just blue hearts. I'll appreciate it. I'll highly appreciate it. Also guys, let's talk about my hair. Guys, if you watched my wash hair day routine, the one I just uploaded, like 2 videos from this one, you guys should have seen how short my hair was and how long my hair is now. Look at this. I just washed them, that's why they've shrinked, but I think I'm ready to braid my hair now. I can't wait to braid my hair. I can't wait to braid my hair. You're still not here. What's the day for today?
Friday.
Friday. Still Friday. Hello. Please know the difference between I and E. Is it I or E?
I.
Thank you.
D. A. Y. Z.
There.
19.
19. You guys don't even know your birthdays.
Mine is already passed.
You know your birthdays.
Mine is already
I don't think you know your birthdays.
On 31 of March. Yesterday
31st, not 31 of
our
March.
grandma birthday.
Yesterday. Where are the seats? Where are the seats?
Oh, miss,
This one.
miss.
Yeah.
Yeah, wake up in the bedroom.
Yeah? Huh?
My birthday is coming to 28.
No. 28 when? 28 of which month? Saturday. Month?
March, not day.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Nice, you don't know your birthdays.
My birthday is coming.
There's no one that is born in April. It's only me.
With May.
Oh, happy birthday, Shoaib. It was last Sunday, April. I don't know. You are in July.
We are on Saturday. Miss?
Ignatius, you are born on December the 6th. Your birthday passed already. January. The 20th. You guys know your birthday. The 31st. The next month, eh? My birthday is next week Friday. Everybody scream because I feel a little good, my babe. 36